Okay, so back over here with the Branch Manager 38 special stump grinder. Just to clarify, the Branch Manager aspect of this thing, phenomenal. Love it. The Kohler motor part of this is a 38 horsepower Kohler EFI. I don't like. Like I said before, it was running great, long time, no problems, and then all of a sudden in November we started having a no start issue, and it might start, it might not, it might die on you, cut in and out, then come back. I don't know what it is. I checked injectors, spark, all that's been fantastic. The only problem was this fuel pump down in here. Been having a big problem with it not wanting to turn on, but the pump itself is good. I changed this pump up here on the valve cover. I changed this one down here. The old one and this one both had the same pressures, which were in spec. Changed the fuel filter because apparently it has to be a 30 micron or whatever nonsense that is. No problems there. I checked all the fuses up here, all those are good. Relay, which is just a starter relay. Oil and oil filters good. It's not old, it's fairly new. It's been sitting for a little bit outside. So one ECM, and then I have the one that came with it, and then this is a different one. The wiring harness for this motor itself, from here, all this, all new. It's not the original one. That didn't fix it. Went to the factory Kohler harness that hangs here and has fuses and plugs into this harness to start it. That didn't make a difference. It was hit or miss. I could swap back and forth from the Branch Manager harness to the Kohler harness, and it's hit or miss on if it's going to start or not. Couldn't figure it out. Still don't know what it is. So today I took and hardwired the fuel pump, got my ground run up to the battery, and then I ran a hot wire with a fuse link, 10 amp fuse, over here to the Branch Manager harness. So now when I turn the key on, pump starts to whine, go to crank it, and now it starts. If I go to ramp it up, whines out, throttle down, whatever, works perfect. I do not like that I had to go in and hardwire this thing into the key ignition. I would much rather it work on the factory harness like it's intended to. So it really makes me mad because I had to cut the harness to be able to get that crap on there, which really irritates me considering I just put this one on here. But I need this thing to work. I can't sit around and wait for somebody to figure it out or tell me how to fix it, because at the moment, from what I understand, the guys at Kohler aren't sure either. But at the moment, I've got it working. If anybody has any ideas on what it might be, so that way I can get another harness and put it back to factory, that would be appreciated. But fuel is good, filters are good, all the plugs are good, injectors work. I have spark. It is not a carbureted machine, it is fuel injected. The harnesses are just fine. And the ECM, this is not the factory one, this is a different ECM off of another good running machine, verified good running machine. So I'm kind of at a loss here. That's what I don't understand, is why this isn't working. And I have changed this fuel pump. It works fine just now with the way I have it wired up. So if somebody's got any insight, that'd be awesome. And again, last time, Branch Manager, this machine is freaking awesome. It is the motor I'm having a problem with, which is nothing to do with Branch Manager. Like I said, their harness is working just fine. It looks a little messy because we've been cutting into it, trying to check and see where we're having this problem at. But the Branch Manager machine works good. I have 220 hours on this. Key was left on for about 3 days, about a year ago, maybe 4 days. So sub 200 hours on this Kohler EFI motor. So of course all the stickers are worn off, but it's a 38 horsepower EFI Kohler, and I'm not super satisfied with it at the moment because of this problem. On an under 200 hour machine, that doesn't make any sense. It needs to work. If it was at 1,000 or more, with kind of the abuse it takes, I can see that, but 200 hours? No, not cool. Alright, well, if anybody's got any ideas, that'd be appreciated. Let me know. If you don't, that's cool too. It is running at the moment. I'm going to try it out on Monday. I've got a job to go stump grind, so we'll see how that goes. And if it works good, then I got to start changing these teeth because they are not good anymore. Alright, well, that's all. Thanks.